Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, if you have not followed this channel for very long, a year or so ago I posted a video of a 1989 Y49 CRX SI that I planned on doing a full restoration on as best I can here in the garage. Now, that video has been posted, like I said, like a year or so ago, and I really haven't worked on it since I posted that intro video. Go check that video out to kind of give an overall of the yellow CRX. But the other day I was wanting to get started on the restoration because Classic Hondas on the Dragon 10 is over. This black CRX here is all complete other than some minor upgrades I plan on doing in the future. But I wanted to dive into that car, so I went out there to start it up and it wouldn't start up. So I did a little bit of troubleshooting off camera and there was no fuel at all on the fuel rail. I pulled the return line, there was nothing coming out. So I did a little test of the fuel pump wiring and there was voltage getting to the pump. So I knew at that point the pump was going to have to be replaced. So I went ahead and just tried to take care of that off camera. I pulled the gas tank down, I pulled the pump out, and as you saw, the pump was in really bad shape, and inside the gas tank was a lot of sediment and rust and corrosion. So I went ahead and picked up a replacement gas tank and pump setup, and I'm in the middle of replacing that gas tank and pump now, and hopefully I can get that all put back together and get this car started. That way I can get the car moved out, get it cleaned up, start tearing into it, tearing things out, and different things like that so that car can get started and get the restoration underway. So let's go ahead and get this gas tank put up underneath the car, get the fuel pump put in, and see if we can get this thing started, and see how far we can get with this yellow car. Alright, the yellow car is now running again. I am really happy that job is done. I struggled along the way. That is not a fun job. The fuel pump, the fuel tank, and having that fuel tank brand new and empty. I put some gas in it, but evidently I did not put enough gas in there because whenever I was trying to start it, I was not seeing any fuel coming out of the fuel return. So I changed the fuel pressure regulator. I pulled the fuel rail, pulled the fuel lines, changed the fuel filter, lots of different things, and it ended up I just did not have enough gas in the gas tank. Evidently, whenever it was pouring in there, not much of it was actually coming out because of the vapor lock issue. I eventually figured that out after doing all that work and went ahead and just emptied the entire gas can into the tank. And after that, I had tons of fuel pressure. Car started right up, but as you heard, it was missing out like crazy. And that was with the stock. Actually, it's not the stock. It was a S300 ECU with some sort of fuel map on there. I really have no idea what map that was. I went ahead and pulled that map off, saved it, and put a stock P28 map on there. And as soon as I did, it started purring like a kitten. So evidently the tune that was on that car was not good at all. It's got a stock P28 map on there, and it's running really smooth. I haven't revved it up or driven it around or really checked on any of the check engine lights or anything like that. But the car does run, and that's really all I was looking for, was just getting this thing running again so I can move it around out here. And the next thing that this car needs is really just to get cleaned up and just start tearing into it, see what I'm dealing with. The front bumper's not really lining up, so I want to go ahead and pull that off, see what I'm dealing with, see what needs to be lined up before I start tearing the whole thing apart for sanding, body work, everything else. There's going to be tons of more work to do, so stay tuned as we get into this Y49 rebuild project.